Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. We are back once again in the same location, in the same car, same everything as the past couple of videos. So sorry that there's not a difference in scenery, but it's a different topic today. So let's just go ahead and dive into it. So today we're talking about how expensive is it to drive a 370Z. One of the reasons that I'm making this video is that this car, it's not the most expensive to drive, but I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering, because you see a sports car, you know, you're wondering what gas does it take, you know, how much is the gas bill per month. So I just wanted to just dive into it and just kind of tell you guys what it is for my current situation right now. So this car takes premium gas, so it's, you know, top tier, you know, 91 octane, 93 octane if that's all you have. 93 octane is more expensive in my area, so I only go over 91 octane. But basically it takes premium gas, and the current gas price right now is I think around $4.49 a gallon, and it's a 19-gallon tank. So to fill up, I think it's like $70 or $80. So yeah, it does get pretty pricey, especially for me. I use this car for door dashing, so I fill up like half a tank or like a third of a tank like almost every day. So it does get pretty pricey for me. So just keep that in mind. It does take premium, so don't try to put regular 87 unleaded in this car. Do not do that. Now another point here is the insurance cost. A lot of people are wondering about the insurance cost for this vehicle. Now currently I am 24 years old. I believe 25 is when you're considered a lower risk for insurance, and I think my rate might go lower then. But currently it costs me around $160 a month, with a pretty much clean driving record. I had a couple tickets, but I think like 3 tickets like 6 or 7 years ago, so those should not be affecting my rate right now. But that's currently what I'm paying, about $160 a month for car insurance. I do not have any car payments. I pay this car off in full, so I don't have to worry about that. So how expensive is it to drive? I would say it's more expensive, mostly just for gas. The insurance cost really did not go up from my previous Subaru, which I would consider an economical car, because it really wasn't a sports car, but it only raised my insurance like 100, or not 100. Okay, it raised it from 140 or so, or 130 or so, to 160. So it really didn't raise it that much, maybe like 30-40 bucks. So it really did not raise it that much. So if insurance is the thing that you're worried about, this car is not really that bad on insurance, at least for me personally. It does also depend on who you have for insurance. I use USAA, which I believe is the cheapest that you can get, from everything that I've seen online. But some insurance companies charge a lot, so like double that, or even, I don't think triple that, but maybe close to that, and that's insane. So I would recommend finding the insurance company that you'd like to go with as the cheapest rate. They can get you covered and all that, and it should work out. So basically it's not really that expensive to, you know, drive this car, but you're forking forth the money to buy this car in the first place, so that might be an expense, a bigger expense of actually buying the car. But as far as just maintaining it, driving it, it's not really that bad. Oil changes as well, just a little additional thing on here. Oil changes as well are not that expensive either. I think like $60, 60, 70. I'm not sure, I don't have the bill with me right now, or the invoice. But they're not really like that bad either. And that's like, you know, gas, or not the gas, the oil and the labor, everything. So not really that bad. So I would say, you know, if you want a 370Z, definitely go ahead and go for it. Purchase the car, and, you know, just make sure you can afford premium gas, pretty much. So but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got something out of it. I didn't really have a whole lot of bullet points for this video, so I wasn't really sure how long this video was going to be, but it looks like I'm kind of averaging about 5 or 6 minutes for each of these types of videos. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you stuck around until the end. If you want to see more content like this, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video.